chippings can be transformed into mulch, compost, or even pressed wood for various products. Electric chippers are perfect for small branches and yard debris, while gas chippers offer more power for larger tasks. Pricing varies widely, from $500 to $2,000, depending on features and brand. The super handy wood chipper shredder mulcher is easy to use, environmentally friendly, and highly durable. The EFC UTC30 Lite is powerful, compact, and versatile, perfect for various outdoor tasks. The Great Circle USA Mini Wood Chipper Shredder Mulcher Ultra Duty handles large amounts of debris with ease. Wood chippers help reduce waste and recycle materials, contributing to a cleaner environment. Transform your gardening experience with the best wood chipper for your needs and enjoy a cleaner, more efficient yard.